Hello everyone, this video is for anybody that has a 93 Dodge Grand Caravan, 93 Plymouth Grand Voyager, or a 93 Chrysler Town and Country with a 3.3 liter V6 engine in it. I'm going to show you how to replace the starter and the starter location. And what tools you'll need to get the new starter or the old starter out and replace it with the new one. So this video is for anybody that has that type of vehicle with the same type of engine. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I have the 3.3 liter V6, and it's a Dodge Grand Caravan, and this is what you'll need. You'll need a new starter, which is wherever you go to, you can get it at AutoZone, Vance, O'Reilly's, or even Rock Auto. I ordered this one refurbished. Now the tools you'll need is a 1/2 inch socket, a 15 millimeter socket, a 6-inch extension, a short extension, a breaker bar, which this is a 3/8, a ratchet, which this is 3/8, and a screwdriver. Okay, the first thing you'll usually do when you're replacing the starter is you'll disconnect one of the terminals. I found out the best way is to disconnect the negative. You disconnect the negative, then you don't have to worry about the body. The positive, you can leave it on. Most people disconnect the positive, but it could still backfire on you if you disconnect the positive. So I recommend the negative. Okay, so now the starter is underneath. I'll show you. It's underneath the van, and the starter is right there. So as you can see, there's the bolt. It holds the wire on, and then the clip, it holds the electrical to it. Okay, the first bolt is right there. As you can see, there's a wire hooked up. The other one is kind of harder to get to, but it's right there, right next to the mountain bracket. So as you can see, I already disconnected the battery. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the one that's up there. Once I take that bolt out, then take this one out. Once that's done, then you can disconnect the wire from underneath here and the cable. So I'm going to start by doing that. I'm going to set the phone down, because the best way to get to this bolt underneath is through the top. So the ones that are mounted to the holding the starter on, they're 15 millimeters. So you'll need an extension, the short extension with the 15 millimeter. And you want to get it down in there. I'm trying to do this where I can see, but you guys can also see it. It's kind of hard to get to. Kind of hard to see down there too. It's down in there, okay. So yeah, pretty much I'll get back to you once I get the starter out. Okay, I'm back. Basically, I did get it off, and this is the old one. So you can see it's all rusted in most areas as typical. And this is the new. So people can see it. And like I said, I had to do the upper one, which is the one right up here first. And I did have to use a swivel joint to get it. Otherwise, you would have to manually remove this in order to get it out. So instead of taking this out, I don't know if you can see it, but I would have to disconnect this. Instead, I left it hooked up and I just used a swivel on the first bolt, which is up here. And then after that, I came down here and finally got that bolt there. So this is where the starter goes, which is right there. And these are the two wires right here that connect to it. So after that, all you got to do is just reinstall it the same way you took it out, and it's relatively easy to move and maneuver it in here. So that's all you need to know for a 93 Dodge Grand Caravan, 93 Plymouth Grand Voyager, or 93 Chrysler Town and Country with a 3.3 V6.